Hi everyone, we're Group 3 and today we're going to share our design thinking project on Fanzo, a sports tech company that's reimagining how fans connect with live sports experiences. Before we dive in, this is our team. We have Sana, Nisha, Inez, Nick, and myself, Gia. So, together, we all brought really different perspectives to this project, from design and research to strategy. And together, we explored how Fanzo could help fans feel more confident and connected when watching live sports. Fanzo started in the UK as a sports tech platform that helps fans find nearby venues showing their favorite matches. But it's not just about finding a bar, it's about community. Their mission is to bring people together through live sports, connection, and shared energy. Now that Fanzo is expanding into Australia, they face a new challenge younger fans, especially Gen Z. They love watching sports but prefer doing it from home. So, our goal was to understand why that happens and how Fanzo can make live venues feel just as comfortable, safe, and exciting as streaming from the couch. So, through our early research, we discovered three big challenges that stop people from going out to watch live sports. First are the social barriers. Many young fans feel uncomfortable in pub environments. They're often loud, male dominated, and alcohol centered, which can be intimidating for introverts or women. Second, uncertainty and convenience. Fans don't always know what to expect before going out. Things like crowd size, safety, or inclusivity. So staying home just feels easier and safer. And third is the perceived values. Some fans feel that experience simply isn't worth the cost of or effort compared to watching from home, where everything's familiar and comfortable. So, in short, fans want connection, but what they really need first is confidence. Confidence that the venue will feel safe, welcoming, and worth the trip. To explore these challenges in more depth, we started listening to real fans through interviews and surveys. Nick will take you through what we discovered during that engaged stage.
Thank you, Gia. All right. So this part is about methodology. Uh, Basically, how we gather all our insights. We used two main methods: interviews and surveys. First, we did the five short interviews with people aged between 20 and 30, a mix of casual fans, non-fans, and hardcore fight sport followers, with a pretty even gender balance also. From these few charts, we notice a few common themes, like people often say things like pubs can feel too loud and noisy, or I rather stay home unless I am with my friends or family. A lot of them wanted to see nearby venue, crowd vibe, safety, and cost before deciding to go out. So overall, the main takeaway from the interviews was that people want comfort and predictability. They need to feel confident about the vibe and value before going anywhere. Then we ran a survey with 50 respondents, aged between 18 to 35. Again, a mix of casual and regular sport fans, gender balance. The goal here was to understand what stopped people from attending live events and how they feel about venue transparency. The results were really clear. Around like 90% said they go to more events if they had a real-time crowd and safety updates. 78% admitted they've actually changed plans or left early because of unexpected crowd behavior. And about 70% use apps to check venue info, but they feel it's not complete enough. So both our interviews and surveys show the same thing. People want comfort, control, and confidence before attending live sport. In short, it's not just about the game, it's about feeling safe, informed, and relaxed while being there. So next part will be explained by my team member Sanat.
Thanks, Yagnik. Let's start by walking through our design thinking process that shaped the Venzo concept. We begin with empathizing with sportsmen who often feel disconnected when watching games alone. Using an empathy map and user persona, we explore their emotions, excitement, and loneliness. The desire for belonging, they help us truly understand the user's pain and motivations. Next, we would move into the define stage where we reframed our challenges into one clear problem statement. How might we help solo sports fan feel included and connected during live matches. From there, our team engaged in ideation using brainstorming and the Scamper method to generate multiple ideas from digital events hubs to gamified viewing experience. After the selecting strongest idea, we transitioned into prototyping where we build low fidelity mockup of the Fanzo app. These prototypes help us visualizing how the app connects user through live events, chat rooms, and shared fan communities. Finally, we tested our prototype with target users and gathered feedback that guided improvement to user flow and accessibility. Overall, this interactive process helped us move from empathy to action, transforming user into an inclusive digital platform that celebrates togetherness in sports. Yeah, next please. Yeah, so over how might we questions become how might we enhance customers' viewing experience to encourage younger and casual fans to confidently choose local venues so that venue feels safe and worth the trip? This question guided every step that followed. It captures both the emotional side, but need for comfort and safety, and the practical side. The desire for convenience and values. From here, our goal was to design a solution that makes live sports viewing not just more for fun, but also for reassuring and inclusive. With that question in mind, our team began prototyping different ideas, and I will hand it over to Nisha, who will walk you through how we developed and tested our final concept, the real-time venue experience.
So, for our project, we explored four different ideas before choosing the final one. The first idea was the smart discount system, which sends notifications when ticket or venue prices drop to encourage people to go out during quieter events. The second was the group social planner, which helps fans form groups, book tables, and earn rewards for attending. The third was pub partnerships, where Fanzo works with smaller local pubs to host affordable live screenings. And finally, our chosen idea, the real venue time experience. This one shows live crowd levels, the vibe, and safety ratings right in the app, helping users feel more confident and safe when choosing where to go.
Thank you, Sanat. And I'm Nisha, and I'll be presenting our proposed solution. So now that we have identified our main challenge of helping fans feel truly confident about getting to venues, we explored several solution ideas and we decided that the real-time venue experience stood out as the most viable solution. So this feature builds on Fanzo's existing social proofing tools, enhancing them with live peer insights instead of the old reviews. The mockup here shows what it looks like in action. So before users head out to the game, user can check the crowd level if the venue is filling up and know the venue's capacity. They can also see the predicted peak time so they know when the atmosphere will be the most excited for which most anticipated game of the day or if they should arrive early to avoid the lines. Fans at the venue update the atmosphere in real time as well, so user will know instantly if it's energetic, fun, or relaxed at the time. We also added social style tags so user can pick places based on their social preferences. Noise level indicators, similarly to the atmosphere, will help support a more accessibility inclusive design, as some may feel overwhelmed by the constant loud noises, so some may prefer quieter spots for conversations. Our live comedy chat lets people at the venue share their thoughts, recommendations, and in the moment experiences right inside the app. So, this turned people from being passive spectators into more active participants. To make sure all these features work in the real world, we created prototypes and we plan to test them during highly anticipated upcoming games where casual fans are more interested, such as the FIFA World Cup 2026, when venues are at their busiest and fans are most passionate. We will observe our participants and monitor how they use the app to pick the venue and react to live updates, tracking what really helped them feel included and excited. And through iterative feedback loop will help us improve the experience, making choice user-centered, accurate, and generally helpful for every type of fan. So ultimately, our real-time venue experience uses social proofing to break down barriers and help users feel more informed, in control, and more confident in experiencing sports together live and in person. Now I'll be handing over to my colleague Ines, who will be talking about the implementation plan.
All right. Thank you, Nisha. Next, I'll walk you through the implementation plan and our timelines. From our research, we found that many young sport fans prefer watching games at home. They're worried about things like loud crowd and safety environment and not knowing what the venues will be like. To solve this problem, we suggest Fansor a real-time venue experience. It's a new features that let users check the vibes of the venues before they go. They can see live crowds details, safety rating, and even join a community's chat. This will help fans feel more confident and comfortable going out. Our plans will take around 6 months. In the first 2 months, we will design the test of prototyping a prototype with the user. Then in months 2 to 3, Fanzo will partner up with about 10 to 15 venues to test out the features. And month 3 to 4, we're focusing on a soft launch in the big cities like Melbourne and Sydney with a social media promotions as well. After that, month 5 will be for collecting feedback and improving the features. And finally, in month 6, we'll launch the nationwide with partner support and staff trainings. Next slide, please. We'll talk about the DVF evaluations. For our DVF evaluation, first, desirabilities. Fans want to know what venues are like before going. These features help them feel safer and less anxious. Second is viability. It's low cost and it can be added to Fan's existed app. It can also bring in extra income through venue partnerships and social media apps. And finally, feasibilities. The app already lists the venues, so the feature just add live updates and a chat tools. It is realistic and easy to build using what Fanso already has. Next slide, please. In conclusion, the real-time venue experience support Fanso's goals of creating safe and connected fans communities. It's directly answer what users say they needed, such as a clear live information and a sense of comfort when selecting a venues. This idea is practical, affordable, and will help fans to grow while enhancing their experience for every sport fans. Thank you for listening to our presentation.